Hello, my alien students, baby aliens, and fellow humans, I would say, isn't it? Okay, today this is a special class today, a class on REVIT MEP plumbing. Our end of the day, our story would be to complete this project, okay, to get this final plumbing project, okay. So today's class, this class is specially made for one of my, this is our final product, okay, this will be our final, we'll have to get this final story from a blank screen, okay. So this is the trailer of the class, and I'd like to tell you that this class, this is a special class for one of my, let's say, the official baby alien, let's say Hajj alien. This class is for a request. I would say this class I'm making for my one of my favorite, not one of my favorite baby alien, Hajj alien student. Okay, he is a mechanical engineer. Okay, and this class is for him. Okay, one of my favorite, not one of my, I say he is my favorite student, especially in the REVIT MEP section. Okay, so let's start. See, this is a blank screen. We are doing REVIT MEP. We are focusing today more on plumbing. Okay, so end of the day, isn't it? See, this is without any connection. Okay, so can we just introduce this class? Okay, this class is going to be a REVIT MEP, or let's say REVIT plumbing, how to configure or how to connect the plumbing devices manually to these devices or these fixtures. Okay, this guy is called a closet, okay, and this guy is called a urinal, and this guy is called floor drain, and this is sink. Okay, so end of the day we will be connecting everything, and hopefully you will enjoy today's baby, or let's say alien class. I just want to again tell you that this class is dedicated, or say is a request from one of my, from the official, I would say the official baby alien student. Okay, anyway, let's start and let's keep moving forward, isn't it? So first thing is, what do we need to do first? We want to create MEP, isn't it? Now we are in the plumbing first floor, that is the ground floor, let's say ground floor plumbing floor plan, isn't it? We are in this plan, so we can just close this window. Okay, so first thing, what I always tell my students, okay, this is something which I always tell, I always recommend, let's say, draw the larger pipe stuff, larger pipe, or let's say draw the larger item first, and then keep moving forward and do the connection. So what's the story? First go to the system tab, click pipe. Okay, let's say the size of the pipe is 100 millimeter, isn't it? The diameter of the size. The pipe, you know, it's a drainage pipe. Generally drainage pipes are going below the current level, so let's keep it, let's say minus 100. Okay, 100 centimeter. Okay, and then, you know, drainage pipe generally is at an elevation, isn't it? It is a sloping down, so click slope down, give a sloping value of, let's say 1% or 2%. Okay, any comments? Okay, after that, this is the procedure, isn't it? Go down, click PVC DWV, and then we need to create a sanitary pipe. Make sure it is sanitary. Okay, and then click in the center and go keep moving down, isn't it? Okay, good. We can see this pipe. It is at the elevation minus 100 and goes to minus 109. So we are able to see this pipe. This pipe is going much below, isn't it? If you would like to see it, let's do some magic. Okay, section view. You don't see it, don't worry. Okay, can you see this pipe? The pipe is much below the, isn't it? Can you see this? If you cannot see it, just tell John, now I can see it, isn't it? It is much below that, isn't it? Okay, so we will be slowly connecting everything, and then we will say, John, done. I become alien. Okay, this is clear. Okay, now this pipe is in between, isn't it? Now what we need to do, we need to create a Y branch, isn't it? How do we do that? Okay, listen, first thing is go and click PVC fitting in the system tab, and go and call your friend Y branch. I don't think it is there. It is not. This is a double Y, isn't it? So good habit is go to the insert tab, go to load family, okay, go to US metric pipe and say, John, you know what, PVC, isn't it? Let's load what all we need. I think as of now we just need the combination Y and the double combination Y, okay, and maybe you like P-trap. Let's, oh, not everything, okay, I'm just pressing the control key. Okay, everything looks good. We don't want the reducer, but I think we can say okay, adios, okay, and say okay. So we're loading this file. They might say even it's not there. Good, excellent. Okay, this is a double Y. We do not want a double Y. We need a single Y. So come and say, John, I'm here. Okay, I hope this is clear. Okay, just click on the main line. Okay, if it's visible, good, it is visible. Listen, I show you some trick. I want to show you something. Click override graphic by category. I want to change the color. Okay, because this doesn't look good. Yes, isn't it? So you can see it. You want to make it red, or I think blue is good. Make it a bit thick. I think this looks good. He's not happy. Type anyway. Okay. Any comments? Okay. Click the rotate. See, just keep your mouse and keep rotating, isn't it? Now what happened is, if you cannot see it, this is visible, isn't it? Now this is visible, really visible. Okay, good. Now what you need to do is, you need to align this closet to this Y, isn't it? So what we do is select the closet. Okay, click align the center of this to the center of this, isn't it? You cannot, it makes logic sense that you would not, let's say, move the closet to the Y, is it? The Y will move to the closet. This is fixed. You are not the architect. You are an MEP guy, isn't it? Okay. Then what you do, okay, just want to reconfirm. See, if I just ask one random question, just one random beautiful question. How do I know that this pipe is at an elevation? The green pipe which I drew is at elevation. How do I know it? What's the elevation at this point? Or what's the elevation at this point? Okay, there are a couple of tricks here. I would say a couple of tricks here. One of them would be human method. Click the pipe and say, John, you know what? The start elevation is 10 thing. So this is, isn't it? So see, the start offset is 100.21 and 100.70. That's the end offset. Similarly, the same story. You can see it, isn't it? It keeps going down, 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 isn't it? It's a 2% offset, which is good. It is good. I consider this is the human method. Okay. However, if you are an alien, my students become aliens, isn't it? I want to know the elevation at every point. So click the another tab, click spot elevation, and tell him, just tell me it's going. Yes, it keeps going. This is actually the top of the pipe offset elevation. Okay, you see it keeps going down, 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 isn't it? Isn't it? Okay, I hope that is clear. Okay, that was not the story. Okay, now what we do is keep your mouse on this connector. This is called a connector. Okay, right click and say draw pipe. I said good. Okay, everything looks good. Just remember because this is the branch, this is the main pipe, and this is the branch which I am having, you know. So branch would go up. So you would say click up. Okay, and say tikka. Any comments? Okay, so if I do this, you have the whole connector, isn't it? Okay. Now what I do is, I'll tell you what I'll do. I create one small section view. Why do I create a section view? Because you will understand now. Okay, listen. We don't want to see the urinal. John, this is a bad habit. Okay, isn't it? Where is Bugs Bunny? Bugs Bunny is here. Okay, this much is more than enough for me. Okay, so right click, go to view, because I'll tell you why I created this urinal, this section. Because this is the closet, isn't it? Water closet. Just keep your pipe here. Yes, sir. Draw pipe. Any comments? Go straight down. Okay. Okay. Now what we need to do? They're not going down, isn't it? Okay. Is this clear so far? Okay. You can create it like this. Okay. Isn't it? Is this clear so much? Okay. After this, there is a trick here. Okay. I would make this an what is this called? A P-trap. Imagining or assuming that this closet, water closet, has a P-trap built in. So we do not do a P-trap. We just need to connect this. So I would like to ask you one simple question. How do you do this? I just deleted it. Okay, simple trick. Don't take any tension. This is the pipe. This is the pipe, isn't it? You want to be an alien. You don't want to be a human, isn't it? Or be a sheep. Click the trim button. Click this guy and say tikka. Okay, this is a reducer because I believe this pipe I have. This is an 80 millimeter pipe. So what happened was, I tell you what has happened. Okay, this was a bad mistake from us. When I inserted this P trap, this Y, this is a reducer Y. One side of the reducer, one side of the Y was 80 millimeter. I was thinking, how come reducer came, isn't it? So click this, go and say I need it to be 100 millimeter. Good. Okay, this makes sense, isn't it? Why do you do a reducer when the closet has an outlet of 100, isn't it? Okay, come back to our section view. Tell him thank you for coming and thank you for supporting me with the Y and reducer. Okay, isn't it? Click one of them, you get this. What is this guy called? This guy is called the contextual tab. Click this, click this, click this, and tell him what I did mistake. I tell you what I did mistake again. I didn't draw a pipe. How does he know that there's going to be a pipe out? Okay, right click, draw a pipe, make sure you are going up, isn't it? Then say okay, beautiful, tikka is here, tikka is here. Now we need chicken tikka, isn't it? Basbousa, yalla. Done. If you're not happy to see this, I think I like to see this, isn't it? This is a perfect drawing. Assuming, okay, assuming what, there is a P-trap inside, isn't it? Okay. Okay, this looks good. Yeah, if this pipe was coming from somewhere, let's say from the second floor, so you don't put an end cap. Else, click cap open ends. Automatically he puts one end cap here. Okay, I hope this is clear now. Okay, same story we can do for this water closet. Okay, I think this is not going to be a big story here. Okay, what I'll do is I'll keep these two for you to practice. Okay, let's say you do it. Now this comes the story. Here we have two water closets. Okay, let me do it. Let me not be. I need to do it. Okay, create similar. Okay, and just keep it like this. Okay, sometimes he acts funny, but that's the story, isn't it? Good. Align the closet with the. This is the way you do it. Okay. Okay. Again, I think has he done? No, he's become good boy now. 100, 100, 100. Okay. Right click, draw a pipe. Okay, and make sure he's going up. Good. Okay, isn't it? Just keep here. That is good, isn't it? Same story. Right click, create similar. Sometimes he becomes stupid. Okay, is this clear? Right? I just added these three. Align and say welcome to alien planet. He said you're disconnected. Why? Because maybe he's trying to play hide and seek with you. Don't worry, just disconnect the below pipe and say, you become alien, I'm alien, and you have to be alien. Good. Okay, again he's causing headache. Don't worry, don't take any tension. Okay, disconnect this pipe, tell him thank you for coming. Okay, align. See, when you want something, you don't want REVIT to play with you. You need him. I want you to play with REVIT, not REVIT playing with you, isn't it? Okay, draw a pipe. Sorry, we're going down. Tell him welcome home. Good. And then I say welcome home. Okay, he says there's not connection. Don't worry, don't take any tension. And drag up. Yes. Okay, isn't it? I think I should say they're coming home. Okay, listen, is this clear? Okay, make sure this is aligned, this guy with this guy. Okay, fine. Now what you do is right click, draw a pipe. Okay, isn't it? The same story. Okay, what you will do now, you created already a section here, isn't it? Section view. Okay, what you do is drag him down and do the same story. Okay, go to view, right click, go to view, tell him hello, I say hi. Okay, keep your mouse on the connector. Okay, and just say him I'm coming home. Just come down. isn't it? And then just select one of them. I never draw it so thick just because of it's on a recording, isn't it? You need to see it, isn't it? If I draw, can you see it? No, it's too light for you, isn't it? Okay, any comments? Okay, so let's say the first part is over. The first half, we can do the same thing, isn't it? Go to view, keep your mouse here, draw pipe and say thank you very much, and yeah, he said welcome, isn't it? Okay, now he's not happy with this. Okay, don't worry. Why this happened? I tell you why. Just look at this. The pipe is going down. This is a mistake. This pipe should have come up. Slope is wrong slope. Okay, if you didn't understand, I tell you what has happened. Okay, right click, draw a pipe and make sure slope is up. Okay, and then say thank you very much. Okay, now why did he make a reducer here for me? There are a couple of pipes here, that's why. Okay, when I select this, I need to only see a Y. Good. Right click, draw a pipe. You say slope up. Yeah, PVCWY, sanitary good, and say thank you very much. Isn't it? Now you see the pipe is going up. Before the pipe was coming down. That is slope down. Now it should have been up. Anyway, tikka and tikka. This is chicken tikka, isn't it? Okay, I hope this is clear. So you see, we finished 3 of these drainage connection. Okay, now the story comes is when we have 2 people back to back, isn't it? It's a nice drawing, isn't it? But the thing is, finding 2 people and we have very less space. Don't take any tension. Alien is there. Right click, create a similar. Okay, and go and see if you have your double Y. Good. Okay, somehow I don't know why he is clicking this side, but he is acting. Okay, anyway, we don't have any. No, don't do this. Right click, delete. Thank you for coming, isn't it? What we wanted Y. Is it? Go to the system tab, click Y, double Y, isn't it? And just click somewhere. Okay, good. He's become good now. Change the size. This is not a T reducer, a Y reducer, it is a Y, isn't it? Good. I think it's easy, isn't it? Or made easy. Okay. Tab, very good. Now what we're going to do is we're going to align this guy with this guy. So click one of these closets. There's a tikka and tikka. He says, no, John, you're not happy. I'm not happy. Don't be happy. Don't worry. I'll make you happy now. Okay. Just disconnect the pipe. Okay. You see? Done. Then say thank you for coming, and just says she doesn't even notice it. Okay, perfect. Same story. Right click, draw a pipe. We're going up. Yeah, we're going up. Beautiful. Just click here and say thank you for coming. Again, same story. Oops. Okay, sorry, my mistake. Create similar. You're going up. Yes, good. And say thank you, isn't it? Okay, again, select the section. Tell him it was nice being there. Why don't you come here? I said, sure, I'll come there. Go to view. Hold this guy. If you're lazy, I'm not trying to make you lazy, you can just do this. You see? Select the pipe. Draw a pipe. Come down. Again. Do you think it is? Yeah, this is called laziness, but don't do this. Okay, is this clear? Good. Now what you say? Tikka. Oh, sorry, do it slowly. Tikka. Done. He's just showing. This is called a small error from, not error, I would say. If it say it is there, it is there. Okay, just a film. It's called. I don't want to say. Okay, film. It's called film. I have words, but after it's recording, stop recording. I will tell you what is it. Okay, I hope this is clear. If you cannot see it, isn't it? Okay, so what you do is just keep like this. Tikka, go to section box and see your friend. We have done this successfully, isn't it? If it is not clear, I think it is clear now, isn't it? I'm just rotating it. You see the Y? Okay, I hope this is clear. If you have any doubts, just let me know. Okay, I'm just keeping it dark so you can see it. Okay, now what we will do is we will do the connection for these 3 urinals. They're called urinals, isn't it? Yeah. So this is a men's toilet, isn't it? Okay, so what we will do, the first thing you will do is, we need to see it from this side, isn't it? So just draw a section view like this. We don't want to see so much. John, too much it went. Yeah, of course it went too much. Right click, go to view. Okay, this is our beautiful urinals. Just draw a pipe going downwards straight. We're not going, it says slope 0, automatic, it is called a free fall, isn't it? Okay, and again, and oh sorry, my hand is on the escape key, that's why. Okay, any comments? Okay, good. Now what we'll do is we will draw one triple Y. You call it double Y, you call it triple Y, you call it anything. Okay, go to system tab. No, not this one, the normal one. We said a double Y, so it was there that time when we started. Yeah, this is one. Not this way. But sometimes Revit acts as stupid, isn't it? We need to rotate it. I tell you one thing, select this, delete it. Okay, listen. Good habit to save it. Okay, save the drawing. See, this is called troublemaker. Good. Okay, just move this guy down. Any comments? Okay, making it a little bit easier example. Okay, what you do is go select the pipe, just align this so I don't have use extra pipe. John, you are alien. Okay, you did not align it, isn't it? Perfect, isn't it? Okay, select this pipe, keep going down. If it's coming with the pipe, that means it's correct 100%, isn't it? Okay, now no, it's not connected. Assuming it is not connected. Okay, I'm just nudging it, I'm not doing magic here. Okay, then what you'll do is select this pipe, drag and say I'm coming. Okay, good, it became green. Okay, draw a pipe, isn't it? You not draw something like this, called stupidity. Okay, okay, don't take tension, just do this. At least something like Revit do, isn't it? I bring this guy up, don't worry. Okay, perfect, isn't it? So call him up, or don't want. I'm nudging, I'm not doing any nudging means I'm moving my from the keyboard, the joystick is there, no? That one I am doing. Okay, do you think it will be beneficial if I do this? Yes, isn't it? If I was an alien, if I am an alien, I'll do something this, isn't it? I don't do 10 things same thing, isn't it? It's called a waste of time. Efficiency. Okay, I cannot go more up. Oops, not too much. Yeah, this looks good. Okay, I hope this is clear. Okay, looks good. Okay, then what you do is right click, draw a pipe and say John, I'm back. I said good. Okay, do we connect it like this? Why not? Now what I do is, I think he doesn't have space, that's why. Now what you do is, listen, first delete this small guy. You get an option, make him an elbow, isn't it? If you are not visible, make it like this. This is good. So we need to see what's going up on top, isn't it? We have done this. we have done this. Okay, good. Now what I will do is I create a section view. Okay, go to view. This is the good. The other section, this one, good. Okay, I just show you what is going on. Okay, just do this and call your friend section box. You see, this guy now should go down to connect, isn't it? You see this? Can you see this? Now this guy and this is the main line, isn't it? I need to get connected. Okay, don't worry. Where was I? We have this pipe coming here, isn't it? Yeah, we have two options. Okay, draw a select create similar, inherit elevation going up. Okay, and draw like this, and that's the story. Select this section view and delete it and say thank you for coming. We need to just make this offset, isn't it? Not offset, what is this? Fillet. Good, isn't it? I hope this is clear. Okay, actually we would have done one T or a Y. I think this connection is what they have. They're given a Y. Yes, good. Y reducer. Yeah, we can nudge it in the forward if something is breaking. If you have a problem, just delete it and then say I'm coming forward. Okay, not too much. Okay, and then right click, draw a pipe. Okay, he's playing games with you now because you're going down. أهم حاجة تقول down. He's not happy. Don't worry, don't worry, don't take any tension. Right click, draw a pipe, slope down, good. Inherit elevation if you want, click. Okay, not happy, don't worry, I have medicine for everyone. Going up. Okay, isn't it? He doesn't play. We know how to play with everybody. Okay, does this look good? Looks perfect, isn't it? Okay, if you want, we will connect this also. Okay, anyway, I hope today's class you enjoyed, isn't it? Wow, this looks good, isn't it? How do we create this from scratch? Let's do this. So you said John is incomplete, isn't it? Again, right click, create similar, double Y. I think REVIT MEP is easy, isn't it? Who told it is difficult? How's a? Okay, let's say go to System tab, go to Plumbing, Fitting, double Y. Now we're not using this, we're using the other one, combination double Y. Yeah, this one. I don't understand what REVIT is doing this. Okay, no problem. Isn't it? Sometimes I tell you what to do. Create a split. What is a split? There is a split button. Yeah, this one. Just chuck. Khalas. Not a coupler. REVIT is over smart sometimes. You see? Don't worry. Go to the System tab. Double Y. Yes. Ta-da. Okay, good. Click 100. Not 1000. 1000. Sorry, it's 100. Isn't it? Align with whom? This guy with this guy. No problem. Delete this pipe. Align. Okay. Okay. Now say go straight forward. Draw up, create similar. Okay, listen. Now, okay. What is it? I'm going down, slowing down. Okay, good. Okay, procedure is procedure. Okay, let's say we said 200. Say apply and say thank you. sometimes create similar. I'm going down. Okay, inherit elevation. Is this clear? Okay, draw pipe. Okay, now what I'll do is okay, I think there's not to make a film here. Okay, we need to draw a section actually there. Anyway, draw a pipe, say thicker, and from here draw another pipe. Okay, I think the same story. Can I make a same mistake? Right click, draw pipe going upwards, not going downwards. Okay, anyway, keep your mouse there, draw a pipe upwards. Yeah, good. You want inherit element, no problem, don't make tension. Okay, then we have any elevations. We have this elevation section, section view. Why did this guy go so much? Sightseeing. Okay, go to view, isn't it? Call your friend this guy, tell him I'm coming for you, don't worry. Draw a pipe. Okay, similarly, right click, draw a pipe. You need to keep your mouse on the, what's that guy called? It's called the connector. Okay, select one of them and say, you know what, your time to connect you to this guy. I said okay, thank you. This to this. Okay, this is just a film, don't take tension. Okay, this is just a film. Fill in the sense, just a film. Okay, just a film. That's called, it's called a film. Okay, is this clear so far? Good. Now what we'll do is just test it. Everything is connected perfectly. Just go to your section view and say, John, you know what, I have done it. I said excellent. Okay, isn't it? Okay, anyway, I hope today's class, you enjoyed today's class. It was a nice, beautiful, funny class, isn't it? We didn't speak too much today. Okay, it's a Y. This is a Y, isn't it? Okay, maybe in the next class, what we'll do is, instead of using a direct elbow connection here, I will do it as a P-trap. Okay, anyway, I hope today's class you enjoyed. If you have any comments, you know what you should do, isn't it? You should just call Alien John. Okay, anyway, I think that's it for today, and keep moving forward. Bye.